All right, a 5-year-old girl is brought to the dermatologist with multiple dark freckles and scaly patches on her skin and her arms. She gets sunburned very easily, and her older brother had a similar condition, extensive freckling and cirrhosis in areas of hyperpigmentation, and there's a defect in what enzyme? Okay, so this should make us think of Xeroderma pigmentosum, which is a nucleotide excision repair disease, autosomal recessive, inherited, and so the answer is going to be UV-specific endonuclease. That's the reason why it's nuclease, endonuclease. Nucleotide excision repair is messed up in this disease. And yes, Xeroderma pigmentosum. So let's look at the other answers. But before we do that, the mechanism of the disease is that UV radiation induces covalent linkage between the thymine residues that forms these dimers, and they distort the DNA helix. It's causing problems. And then so this thing, the UV-specific endonuclease, exonuclease, detects and excises that part. It's like, get out of there. And then the DNA polymerase then synthesizes the correct DNA sequences. So basically it's like a way of auto-correcting. But if you have this defective NER and Xeroderma pigmentosum, then you can't correct that DNA damage. And so you get an accumulation of unrepaired DNA damage causing premature skin aging and malignancies. 3' to 5', this is the proofreading of DNA. This should be like Lynch syndrome. And so that would be mismatched repair enzymes, not exonuclease activity. This is this mismatched nucleotides during DNA replication. DNA ligase, that seals the nick in the DNA strand by forming the phosphodiester bonds, especially during the Okazaki fragment that joins the lagging strands in DNA synthesis. Helicase unwinds the DNA. That'd be like Bloom syndrome. Photosensitivity and increased cancer risk, but it's very distinct. Topoisomerase prevents the DNA from supercoiling. Basically, it's like somebody holding a rope there during replication and transcription. And so it's not going to be that. So hopefully this is helpful. If it was, go ahead and like and subscribe. If it wasn't, leave a comment on how we can improve.